we're going to learn how to make classic deviled eggs. They're not very hard. It just takes a little bit of preparation. Come along with me, try them, and let's get to cooking. So we're going to start. I'm going to do 6 eggs. And so I got 6 eggs. And I got it in water. And you got to make room so the eggs will have enough room to not touch. I got a little bit of salt in there and a little bit of vinegar. Cut it on medium high, and we're going to wait until it boils. And then that's when we're going to start timing it. And the eggs have finished boiling. They've boiled for 10 minutes. And so we've turned the heat off, and we're going to put them in the ice bath. I've got the eggs out of the ice bath. They were in there for 10 minutes, and now we're going to peel them. I've peeled my eggs, dried them off. I want to separate the yolks from the shell. They peel real easy. And then you got the yolk. It's perfect. I'm gonna take my fork and smash the yolks. You can put anything in the eggs you want. You can put mayonnaise. I put mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, salt and pepper, and I sprinkle a little paprika on top of it just to give it some color. And I've got some olives chopped up that I'm gonna put in one batch. This is salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. And if it's still a little dry, then you can always add a little bit more mayonnaise if you have to. You can put this filling in a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag, or you can do it the old-fashioned way and scoop it out with a spoon. Well, here's the deviled eggs, and I hope you try them. They smell delicious. They're not very hard to make, and as you can see, they didn't break, or they didn't stick, the shell didn't, and they come right off. And so, and if you like olives, these will be wonderful. And if you don't, then you can try these. So, as always, God bless, and I hope you try them. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.